Are you looking for a reliable and high-quality DVD player for your home entertainment setup? This DVD player for TV with HDMI is a must-have, offering full HD upscaling, region-free playback, and multiple connectivity options for a seamless viewing experience. Plays all regions and formats, no restrictions. This DVD player is designed to play DVDs from any region, so you can enjoy movies from around the world without compatibility issues. It supports multiple formats, including CDs, DVDs, VCDs, and JPEG files, giving you the ultimate flexibility for your home entertainment needs. Heavy checkmark region-free playback. Watch DVDs from any country. Heavy checkmark multi-format support plays DVDs, CDs, VCDs, and more. Heavy checkmark USB compatibility, play videos, music, and photos directly. HD 1080p upscaling for superior picture quality. Enjoy crystal-clear visuals with 1080p upscaling, which enhances standard DVD quality to look stunning on modern HD TVs. Whether you're watching classic films or family videos, this DVD player delivers sharp, vibrant images for an immersive experience. Heavy checkmark full HD 1080p upscaling, better image quality. Heavy checkmark clear and crisp picture, enhances standard DVDs. Heavy checkmark compatible with any TV, works with both old and new models. Easy connectivity with HDMI and RCA outputs. With both HDMI and RCA output options, this DVD player works with all types of TVs, from modern HD TVs to older models. The included HDMI and RCA cables ensure a quick and easy setup, so you can start watching your favorite movies instantly. Heavy checkmark HDMI output delivers high-definition video and audio. Heavy checkmark RCA output, perfect for older TVs. Heavy checkmark plug and play setup, easy installation with included cables. Convenient and user-friendly design. This DVD player features a compact and durable design, making it a great addition to any home theater setup. The included remote control lets you easily navigate through menus, adjust settings, and control playback from anywhere in the room. Heavy checkmark slim and compact, fits anywhere in your home. Heavy checkmark durable build, long-lasting performance. Heavy checkmark full function remote control, easy operation. Why choose this DVD player? Heavy checkmark region-free playback, no restrictions on DVDs. Heavy checkmark 1080p upscaling, enhanced picture quality. Heavy checkmark HDMI and RCA outputs, works with all TVs. Heavy checkmark USB input for multimedia playback. Heavy checkmark compact and reliable design. Order yours today. Upgrade your home entertainment setup with this versatile and high-quality DVD player. With region-free playback, 1080p upscaling, and multiple connectivity options, it's the perfect choice for enjoying your favorite movies and music. Backhand index pointing right, click the link in the description to order now. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech product reviews and recommendations.